Hello everyone, this is Drew from Best of Us Investors working with Mark on the Platinum Trading platform. As you may know if you have been a subscriber on our channel for some time now, Mark, who has been successfully investing for over 40 years and warned us to get out of the market in 2021 November when the market was at its peak, is now helping our subscribers on swing trades analyzing more than 1,000 companies each week based on 10 indicators and sharing the tickers of the stocks that are set up for good uptrends every day along with weekly Zoom calls for Q&As with the members. So if you might be interested in our service, please make sure you check the link in the description below. So for this week, we found a couple gems in our under 200 SMA table that Mark shares, which are stocks selected from over 1,000 companies that were analyzed based on 10 indicators and are all in the uptrend position except for that it is under the 200 SMA. Although we did have some more winners in our major watch list and the horizon list, I wanted to share a couple of the stocks that were from our new under 200 SMA list that would have made you approximately $2,000 if you were to trade 100 stocks each, which was a total of 19% in return with these two stocks. So the first stock that was mentioned by Mark in the under 200 SMA list was Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol ARWR. The stock was first shared when it was at $26.17, which would be this point here. Ever since then, the stock has been rising along the 9 SMA, which is one of the major indicators that Mark educates to the Platinum members. As Mark analyzes each chart every day, he shares resistance and support levels so that the members can make a better decision on prices when taking profits or when setting stop loss levels to protect themselves from huge losses. In the case of Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, Mark shared that the resistance level would be $36, which it did hit but came back down to the 200 SMA area. So for those that wanted to take some profits, Mark's resistance level would have been a great price to sell. Now the stock price is still in a bull momentum, so it can go higher, but Mark will do all the research for the members and share his analysis and send out sell notifications if he detects any sell signals from the 10 indicators he keeps an eye on. So for this trade, if you were to buy 100 shares when it was first suggested at $26.17 and got out at the resistance level that was shared by Mark, you would have made $983 investing only $2,617, which would be a 37% return of your investment. Now, our second stock for the week was CoStar Group Incorporation, ticker symbol CSGP. This stock was first found at $69.22 by Mark, which would be this level here when the stock price passed over the 9 SMA. Ever since then, as you can see on the graph, the stock had a great run up all the way up to approximately $79 and is now at $76.63. Now again, the hardest part for swing trading is finding the appropriate level to sell. And you can see in this table that Mark always tries to share both the support and resistance levels so the members can make better decisions on their trades. Now for CoStar Group Incorporation, Mark shared that the resistance level would be $77.90 based on his analysis so that for members that got into this trade would have a better idea when to take some profits. Now if you look at the chart, the stock price did go a bit above the resistance level, but came back down to $76.95. But if you were to follow Mark's resistance level as a price to take profits, you would have made $868 by just trading 100 shares. Now for the Platinum service, Mark's analysis is not a recommendation or any type of financial advice. What Mark is doing is he is going through more than 1,000 stocks each week, doing all the work for the members and sharing the best stocks that are set for great uptrends that week, and making sure that the members are aware of the support and resistance levels so that they can make better decisions with their trades. So again, if you are interested in these swing trade updates, daily ticker suggestions, educational content, and live Q&A with Mark on a weekly basis, make sure you join our Platinum member in the description below so that we can make it through this tough market together. I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the weekly Zoom calls so that we could share great insights together. Thank you very much and see you on our next update video.